HolyStone 210F tutorial video. Open the box. Then take out the contents. The drone is tied to the box with 2 twist ties. Untie it. Then remove the strip around it. You can learn each button's function from this card. There is a quick start guide on its back. Insert 3 AAA batteries into the battery compartment. Please remember to charge it before the first use. When fully charged, the light will turn off. Insert the battery, then power on the drone. Place the drone on a flat and level surface, with its head facing forward and its tail pointing towards the pilot. Power on the transmitter, push the left joystick up, then down to pair the drone with the transmitter. Long press to calibrate the gyro. Short press to take off. After pairing, you can lay it flat on your palm and gently toss the drone into the air. Press down the left joystick, then release it. Next, push the right joystick to the direction opposite the drift. Short press the button, then push the right joystick. The drone will do a flip toward the same direction. Long press to enter the headless mode. In this mode, the forward direction is always the direction the drone's head points to when it takes off. Short press to change the speed mode. Short press to land. Long press to emergency stop. After pairing, you can also use in land mode. Push the right joystick up, it glides forward. While moving forward, push the left joystick to the left or to the right. Push the right joystick down and hold it there. The drone will start to move in circles. Short press to enter cruise mode. The drone start moving forward at a fixed speed. Use the left joystick to steer the drone. While gliding forward, or in cruise control mode, you can short press the takeoff button. Thanks for watching.